We adjusted our rockers. They're all lashed good now. I mean, they're full rollers, so they're going to be a little noisy, even though it's hydraulic. Got everything set up. Put a gasket in here. Skyland at idle now. We have about 19.5 inches of vacuum consistently. This baby's solid. Good drivability, man. Coolant system being pressurized. Good to go. Alright, Wes is bolting in the seat. And we're going to bolt in the other seat. It's going to be time to drive, eh? Oh, yeah. We're going to roll. Everything's buttoned up under here. Valve train's been adjusted. Timing's checked and triple checked and double checked. Tachometer works, fans work. We're ready to go for a ride. This thing does not like to sit inside and idle, though. It starts to creep on the temp, but that's normal for something that has no airflow hardly at all to it. But the second you set a fan up in front of it, or you rev the motor up with a fan in front of it, the temperature just goes bloop, immediate drop. So I think going down the road, she's gonna be all right. All right, we're ready to go test driving. This is like testing the space shuttle. I just closed the door. The latch is latched. Godspeed. One small step for man, one giant leap for Winnebagos. Maiden voyage. That's actually 180. Don't freak out. She's running fine.